Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ledger from journal entries. First, understand that a ledger is a collection of accounts that summarizes all transactions. Each account, like cash or accounts payable, will have its own page or section. You'll transfer information from your journal entries into these specific ledger accounts, ensuring every transaction is categorized correctly. This process helps you see the overall financial position of each account. Now let's post the debits. For every journal entry, find the account that was debited and its corresponding amount. Go to that specific account in your ledger. On the left-hand side of the T account, which represents the debit side, record the date, a brief explanation, and the debit amount. This step ensures that all increases in assets and expenses or decreases in liabilities and equity are properly reflected. Next, we'll post the credits. Similar to debits, identify the account credited in your journal entry and its amount. Navigate to that particular account in your ledger. On the right-hand side of the T account, which is the credit side, write down the date, a short description, and the credit amount. This accurately records all increases in liabilities, equity, and revenue, or decreases in assets and expenses. Finally, it's time to balance your ledger accounts. For each T account, sum up all the debit entries and all the credit entries separately. Then, subtract the smaller total from the larger total to find the account's balance. This balance is typically carried forward to the next accounting period. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This final step provides a clear summary of each account's financial standing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.